Fanatic. This is going to be an updated video of the Gyeon Q2 Rim coat. If you guys watched my channel about a month ago, I took the signature SV701 wheels off the car. I did a video just showing one wheel. I spent 5 complete hours doing all 4 wheels. The preparation was murder, especially with the detail on these wheels, these being gloss black. I did a lot of polishing, a lot of prepping, and so far it's been holding up really, really well. So prior to doing any kind of a coating, you guys are the ones that been emailing me to do a video on it and try a coating on a set of wheels. So I says, hey, what the hell, why not? Let's do it. Theoretically, I always would do several coats of Colonite 476. It's very easy to apply. Even after you can't do the barrel without taking the wheel off, you can still touch up the face of the wheels and some of the intricate parts of the spokes. You can do that several times a year, especially in the wintertime. So I drove the car about 500 miles. Since I did that video, my wheels and tires have been cleaned 38 times total. 38 times with the autofanatic wheel cleaning and power washing them. And so far, they still have hydrophobic properties. They still, the Q2 Gyeon coat still has self-cleaning properties. So I'm going to get the camera up closer. I'm going to show you guys a lot of the accumulated brake dust inside the barrel and the spokes, and we're going to do a quick demo for you. Guys, got the camera in my hands. I'm just going to get up close here so you guys can see a lot. You see that right there? There's a lot of brake dust on these wheels. In my opinion, these wheels are filthy. This is why I do my wheels so many times a week on all my cars, because dirty set of wheels is kind of like having a dirty car. Believe it or not, if you have your wheels and tires clean and your car not 100%, the car still looks very, very presentable. You can see that there, that's inside the barrel. So 38 times I've cleaned these already after I waited about 5 days for the Gyeon Q2 Rim coat to fully cure. I just wanted to wait a little bit extra longer. And like I said, so far it's holding up pretty well. How long will it last? Will it last a year? I really don't know. If it does outlast the wax applications, then I think for the money of $49.95, and you know, you spend the weekend doing it, I definitely think it's worth it. So I'm gonna get the camera set up, and we're gonna foam up this wheel. We're gonna pressure wash with the Kranzla, and I'm gonna get the Ego blower. I'm gonna completely blow dry it, and we're gonna see how well we do. So hang tight. All right, guys, here we go. I'm actually using a different foaming system that I'm testing right now. And we have 8 ounces of the autofanatic wheel cleaning foam in the foamer. We're just going to focus on the wheels right now. We're not going to do the tires, not going to pull out any wheel woolies. And we just want to see how much of this brake dust is going to still come off with the Gyeon Q2 Rim coat. Because a lot of these coatings, you know, there's a lot of misconceptions about them. And like I said, there's always going to be a lot of topping and upkeep because you have to constantly keep reducing that surface tension. And if you don't reduce the surface tension, you're not really getting the full benefit of having any kind of a coating on there. So let's just get closer. Actually, I missed quite a few spots. It's hard to kind of get inside the barrel sometimes when you're standing up. I just want to make sure I get all those spots. Let's just get closer. You can see it there. You can see what the brake dust is doing. You see that right there? That's what we want to see. We want to see the brake dust runoff blend in with the white foam. And that's why I really like this wheel cleaning system, because, you know, the color changing wheel cleaning systems, I just don't like them. They're just nasty and they have too many cons versus the pros. You can see that back there. You can see the brake dust pooling up from inside the barrel. Now, I definitely missed some spots up there just because I'm standing up and I don't want to bend to get in there, so I'm getting a little lazy right now. But we're going to focus on, you know, the main category of the rims. Pull this off. And let me get my Kranzla 1322 set up. So I'm going to give that about another minute. I mean, I can see a lot of brake dust pooling up in there. I'm also, like I said, I recommended, I did a video on this a while ago on my channel. These pivoting nozzles to do wheels are a must-have, unless you want to lay on the floor and shoot up, because there's really no way you're going to get up and in those spokes. without getting the stream to change the direction. I also like to use the green tip when I'm doing wheels. So let's go. Let's knock this out. So let me get closer. I want you guys to see the hydrophobic properties of that Gyeon Q2 Rim coat. So let's just get the camera back. I don't want to kill it with the stream of water. You see how it looks like the foam is running off like milk? That is the hydrophobic properties of the Gyeon Q2 Rim coat, and it's still there after 38 times washing these wheels. You guys can see that there. Let me get closer. You can see the water beating properties on those wheels. And you can see my finger. They're damn clean, I'll tell you that now. So I'm gonna get the Ego blower. We're doing this in real time. I'm gonna chop this video up. Actually, the lens got a little bit of boo-boo on it. You're gonna have to ignore the planes, guys. That's it. The rims are absolutely flawless, 100% touchless, and I'm going to get the camera closer for you guys. I got the camera in my hands. Just want to show you guys. This was after I foamed it, and I power washed it off with a low PSI power washer, about 1100 PSI. And you can see all the dirt came out of here. All the spokes, 100% flawless. Now, a lot of guys are using the wheel cleaner and they just don't get it, or they've been using acid wheel cleaners and other stuff that's been very, very harsh. You have to prepare the surface. You have to bring your finish back to life. If you want to have a better chance of cleaning them without touching the wheels, I spent 5 hours on these wheels prepping them with that coating. If you guys want to do it, go back to my video, watch step by step what I did, and I'm going to tell you, you're going to see a significant improvement in your wheel cleaning abilities as well. So I highly recommend the Gyeon Q2 Rim Coat. I think for the money, 50 bucks, you spend a Saturday or Sunday popping your wheels off, prep them, polish them out, clay them, do it every step that I showed you in my video, and these things are going strong. And you guys saw it in real time, and that's just what it is. So these are gloss black. These are the hardest finish to keep clean and look clean after you blow dried them. And you can see that there. So really impressed with the product. Like I said, if this stuff holds up and keeps holding up, this is probably going to be my go-to wheel coating of choice, and I'll probably do my Alfa Romeo, my Stelvio, and my Giulia. But like I said, I'll link the Gyeon Q2 Rim Coat. Amazon's got it for like $49.95, free shipping. Watch my video. I go through some of the steps on how to prep it. I think you guys are going to be really, really happy with the results. But like I said, preparation is key. No matter what you do, you got to take the time and prep it right. As soon as you cut corners on the prep, do not expect good results. See you guys soon. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Please stay tuned to the channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for the next video.